This is the laziest YouTube Shorts niche I've ever found, and it might just get you monetized faster than anything else. I call it the ranking niche. I tested it myself and got thousands of views. No filming, no voice, just recycled comedy gold. And I'm not the only one. There's a channel out there that hit 50 million views on a single Shorts video and racked up over 180 million views with just 63 videos. All from funny fail clips. This is how insane their strategy is. Now, I know someone's already typing this niche is saturated, but let me prove you wrong. Here's a brand new channel that just started and it's growing fast. This channel gained 11,000 subscribers and now averages 500,000 views in less than 2 months. That proves the niche is thriving, not saturated. So, if you're tired of complex methods and ready for something ridiculously simple and effective, this video is for you. And stick around till the end. I'll also show you how to make money from this content, even if your channel isn't monetized yet. Smash that like button, subscribe for more lazy YouTube growth strategies like this, and let's dive in. So what's this niche about? This niche is all about ranking videos. From funny fails, cute baby moments, hilarious cat clips, anything that can be ranked can work. You just take a bunch of funny or interesting clips and rank them from least to most entertaining. That's it. Now let's get to it. Step 1. Create your YouTube Shorts channel. Before you even think about content, you need a place to post it. So first things first, let's create a faceless channel for this viral Shorts niche. Trust me, it takes less than 10 minutes. Head over to your preferred AI chatbot. For this tutorial, I'm using Gemini. Now type in a prompt asking for 5 YouTube channel name ideas in the funny ranking niche. You'll get some solid options in seconds. Pick the one you like best, or ask Gemini to generate more until something hits. For me, I went with rapid ranking. Let me know what you picked in the comments. Next, go to YouTube and create a new channel using your chosen name. Now let's customize it a little. We'll need a profile picture, channel description, and a banner. Go back to Gemini, ask it to write a short channel description and generate relevant tags. I've dropped the exact prompts I used in the video description, just copy and paste. Once you get your description and tags, go back to YouTube and update your channel's about section. Now let's talk visuals. We need a logo and banner. You can use Leonardo AI or Midjourney for this, but since we're keeping it lazy, we'll just ask Gemini to generate it. I asked Gemini to whip up a logo. It's simple, clean, and does the job. Same for the banner. Quick, simple, and free. Go back to your YouTube channel and upload both the logo and banner. Boom, channel setup done. Now let's move on to the fun part, the videos. Step 2, source viral clips, the lazy way. Now for the content itself, and this part is stupidly simple. Go on TikTok or Instagram Reels and search for trending funny videos, especially fail compilations, relatable memes, or satisfying moments. Find 5 to 6 hilarious clips. Copy each link. Then use a free downloader. I've dropped one in the description below. Just paste the links and download the clips. Personally, I was feeling lazy, so I found a compilation of funny treadmill fails. And yes, that's what I'll be ranking in this example. Step 3. Edit your viral short in CapCut. No skills needed. Once your clips are downloaded, open up CapCut. If you downloaded a full compilation like I did, just drag the whole video into the timeline. Now trim it down. Select the top 5 to 6 funniest moments from that clip. If you downloaded separate clips, just arrange them on the timeline one after another. Pro tip, put the funniest clip last. That boosts watch time and replays, which makes the algorithm happy. Next, duplicate all the clips, stack them, and blur the clips on the bottom layer. Click on the top clips and resize them smaller. This gives your video a cleaner aesthetic and makes space for your text overlay. Now add a simple title like Top 5 Treadmill Fails or Ranking the Funniest Gym Fails. Use bold fonts and bright colors like red, blue, or green to make it pop. Then download our free template, also in the description, to speed things up even more. Rank each clip with a bit of text. Number 5, number 4, all the way to number 1. Super basic, super effective. Once you're done, export your short. Your viral video is now ready to upload. Step 4. Upload and scale for maximum views. Now here's the cheat code to fast growth. Upload 2 shorts daily. Don't overthink it. Stay consistent. Double down on what performs well. The more you post, the faster you figure out what your audience loves. Add the phrase, ranking moment to your title. I tested this on a new channel and pulled 8,000 views in 48 hours. No ads, no followers. Just from that one phrase. Bonus tip, how to make money before you're monetized. Let's say you haven't hit 1,000 subs yet. You can still earn from this content using affiliate marketing. Here's how. If your video is about funny pet fails, you can add a link in your bio to trending pet gadgets like indestructible dog toys or automatic treat dispensers. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Doing gym fails? Link to funny gym shirts or home workout gear from Amazon. Just join free programs like the Amazon Associates program, ClickBank, or even affiliate networks like ShareASale or Impact. You don't need a website, just a YouTube channel and a product that fits. One creator I know linked to a $20 dog toy and made $400 in 2 weeks without even being monetized. So don't sleep on this. It's a real gold mine. Your path to viral monetization. monetization. The next creator to hit 10 million views in this niche could be you. And honestly, it might only take one video. This niche is pure gold. No filming, no voiceovers, no face required. It's as plug and play as it gets. If you're serious about hitting 1K subs and 10M Shorts views to get monetized, start now. Smash that like button, subscribe to Money Mastery Hub for more lazy viral niches, and drop a comment with the word lazy if you want me to reveal the next easy shorts niche you can jump on. Stay lazy, but keep grinding. Peace.